Hello, everyone. My name is John Brink, and on social media, you'll find me at Broker Brink. Today, we're going to be speaking about the U.S. pending home sales, which took a surge in August unexpectedly. The reason why Lawrence Yun of the National Association of Realtors, he's the chief economist, said the lower mortgage rates are enabling more home buyers to go under contract. Well, the first Fed rate cut of the year just a couple of weeks ago had no effect on the 30-year interest rate. And the reason why is because the Fed's latest rate cut was already priced in. The mortgage industry was expecting a rate cut to come sooner, and therefore they already priced it in. But hey, let's take a look at the past 365 days of the mortgage interest rates history. Well, last year at this time, it was a little bit lower. It was at 6.08%. And then in July, we went all the way up to 7.5% when we were screaming for a Fed rate cut. And then finally, a little bit too late, we had one come down, and we are currently hovering around 6.38%. But hey, isn't that a pretty excellent rate? Think about 6%. What is the future outlook from the industry's experts? Well, Fannie Mae thinks that by the end of 2025, we'll be in the 6% range, and so does the Mortgage Bankers of America, and so does the National Association of Realtors, with mortgage rates going down a little bit below 6%, possibly by the end of 2026. So today's 6% rate compared to the historical average of 7.71% is definitely lower. I mean, hey, it could be a lot worse. You could be back in the late or the early 1980s when their interest rates were up around 18%. Well, today at 6%, why do people wait? Well, the Americans is a little bit worried. They always take caution when things are going down. They're looking for the bottom. And in the real estate world, when they're buying, they tend to buy at the top because everybody else is buying, and it's the fear of missing out. But then here you are when mortgage rates have gone down and prices have gone down. The opportunity is now, and they're in the safe zone, but they're still hesitant. Today, we're in the safe zone because of the way things are lining up with interest rates as well as prices, except for in the higher price ranges, was we have a luxury market report that came out recently that says luxury properties are definitely rising in price. So if you wanted to take a look at some of those videos and also take a look at some of my more fun videos, please go to my YouTube channel, and I post a new video every week. And sometimes you're going to find fun stuff that I'm posting with using AI. And also you'll find American Dream Television is where I'm hosting TV shows, and there's good segments on lifestyle. Hey, but I also wanted to tell you about a book that just came out, and it's available at Barnes & Noble, and it's available at Amazon Books, and it's available at wherever books are found. Books A Million, I was just going to say. But if you're selling a home right now and you want to get a free copy, go to my website, sellingrealestatebook.com, and go ahead and request a copy. I would love to talk to you about selling your home.